Are you facing wireless charging not working after updating to iOS 26? This usually happens due to new software glitches, outdated settings, or incompatible accessories. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the wireless charging broken issue after the iOS 26 update. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable clean energy charging. iOS 26 introduced a new feature called clean energy charging, which reduces your carbon footprint, but at the expense of disrupting your charging process. So, go to Settings, find and tap Battery. Look for Battery Health and Charging and tap on it. You should see the clean energy charging option is available. Simply disable it. After this, try charging your iPhone wirelessly and see if charging happens or not. Solution 2. Turn off optimized battery charging. Go to Settings, find and tap Battery. Look for Battery Health and Charging and tap on it. Turn off optimized battery charging temporarily. Sometimes this feature delays or limits charging based on your habits. Disabling it can help test if it's the issue. Solution 3. Check charger compatibility. Not all chargers follow Apple's MagSafe or key charging standards perfectly. Try using a different certified wireless charger. If your charger has a light indicator, check if it flashes or changes color when you place your iPhone. If it doesn't respond at all, your charger might not be fully compatible with iOS 26 yet. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This won't delete your photos or data, just reset settings like Wi-Fi, notification, and layout. And that's it. Hope now your wireless charging broken issue after the iOS 26 update is solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, goodbye for today.